Dear children, now we are going to do addition of 3-digit numbers. Okay, we have already discussed single digit addition and 2-digit addition, and formation of 3-digit numbers also we have discussed. Okay, now we are going to do, that is 3-digit number with another 3-digit number, and let me do 3-digit number with 2-digit also. Okay, let me do, that is first number, that is 200 plus 300. Both these number having 3 digits. Okay, and next sum, that is 400 plus 100. Okay, and next sum, that is 300 plus 600. Okay, and 400 plus 600. Okay, first, that is 002. So we have to arrange this number here, that is 200, that is 00 here, move this 2 beat. Now the abacus shows 200 and plus 300. So 00 here plus 3. For plus 3 you have to, here only 2 beads are it out. Okay, so that is plus 3 for this, plus 5 minus 2. So now write down the answer, children, that is 005. Okay, that is 005, that is a 500. And one more thing children, you have to write the number from the ones place to the tens place. Tens 100, that is the correct way, that is your right hand side to the left hand side. First copy the answer also, don't write the first number, that is 5. You have to copy the number from this ones place rod. So you have to write down this number, next this number, that is from the order of ones, tens and 100, and like it this manner. Okay, that is 00 and copy this final answer, that is 5. This is the correct way to write down the answer. Okay, do you understand? Okay, let me move on to the next sum. So make it sure abacus is at 0 level. I have to arrange this. And next, that is 400. For this 400, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 400, that is 004, and plus, that is plus 100, that is plus 1. You have to plus 1 number in the 100 place. For this, plus 1, for this, plus 5 minus 4. And now write down the answer, that is 0, 0 and 5. So the answer is 500, that is 400 plus 100, answer is 500. Okay, make it sure. Now this, that is 0 level. And do you understand this? For this plus 1, that is plus 1 equal to plus 5 minus 4. That is plus 1, it's a complement of plus 5 formula. First start with same sign, that is plus 5, and you have to write down here, that is a minus, opposite sign of this, so minus, and this 4 is a friend number of this 4, so you have to put 4 here. So let me do this sum, that is plus 1, that is plus 5 minus 4, the answer is 5 and the final answer is 500. Okay, I hope you understand. And next, that is 0 level, make it sure. And next sum, that is 300 plus 600. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, that is 300. And next number, that is 6. Okay, 0 plus 6, here the bead is enough for this. For this 6, move this 5 plus 1. Now write down the answer, that is 0, 0 and that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. So the final answer is 300 plus 600. Answer is 900. Okay, make sure the 0 level. And next the sum, that is first number, that is 400. So 0, 0, 4. For this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 400. And next number, that is plus 6. Okay, that is plus 600. Here 0, 0. You have to add plus 6 in the 100 place, third row column. So plus 6, that is plus 6 for this, plus 6. Okay, plus 10 minus 4. Okay, plus 10 minus 4. Now the answer is, that is 0, 0, 0 and 1. It shows 1000. So the final answer is 400 plus 600 equal to, that is 1000. So plus 10 formula is used here for this. Plus 6, that is plus 6 equal to, it's a more than 5. So it's a complement of 10. So start with same sign and plus 10, and here you have to put the opposite sign of this. So minus, and here that is a 4, that is 4 is a friend number of 6. Okay, that is plus 6 formula. So applying this here and make the answer 1000. Okay, this is, so we are introducing the fourth digit, that is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, let me do the 4-digit number in our next video. Okay.